man, what are you running, bro?
It's like full built block, procharger.
Procharger?
Procharger.
How many pounds of boost are you running?
18.
18 pounds of boost? Just gotta answer.
And like I just kind of want to know what's going on. Like,
Sounds nasty though.
What's that?
That thing. Oh shit. Oh man, what are you running, bro?
It's like full built block, procharger.
Procharger?
Procharger.
How many pounds of boost are you running?
18.
18 pounds of boost?
Yeah.
Did you do internals?
Yeah.
Nice.
Forged everything.
Yeah. How'd you do in roll racing?
I ran a 10 the one pass.
10 seconds?
Yeah.
Oh,
and then
shit.
I ended up having my methanol everywhere under the hood. So.
Oh shit. Are you done for the day?
Yeah, I headed home.
Fuck. Hey, do you mind if I see the fucking inside of the hood?
Yeah, go for it.
Yeah, man. I caught you just in time, eh? Oh, dude, that's nasty, bro. A sniper EFI. Where'd you pick that up?
My guy got it for me when I built it.
Yeah? That's fucking impressive, man. How many horsepower? 7 horsepower? 700 horsepower? That is phenomenal, man. What exhaust are you running?
Pretty much a straight pipe with cats.
Yeah, for sure. That's crazy. 10 seconds. How much was the build, if you don't mind me asking? $32,000.
And I still have to go through the trans too.
How's that?
I still have to do the trans.
Did trans survive that?
Yeah, I did my trans. Now I'm ready for motor.
Yeah.
So I always get mechanical 4th gear issue. So if I launch from a dig, it'll go into limp mode on me.
Right.
But if I do a roll, it's good.
Is it what tranny is it in? Nag 1 or is it stock? Okay.
Yeah.
What year is it?
17.
17?
Yeah.
Fuck, man. Holy shit. That's awesome.
Anyways, man,
thank you.
nice to meet you. Take
Appreciate
care.
it. Yeah. Yeah. That sounds dirty, eh? It was an RT before. You just built it up. Wow. Well, I mean, you buy an RT and you put 32 instead of buying a Hellcat, I guess. 32,000.
New RT big one is fucking 60 grand though.
Yeah.
90 grand. Damn.
See, bills are expensive.
It gets it's a slippery slope, right?
Yeah.
Right? That's cool. Wow.
I like that thing.
I like this Hellcat.
Yeah, it's nice. Very nice.